Hello, magandang hapon. Baba na pa, magkape na. It's coffee time. Pero meron tayong Paris na. Oo, pichi-pichi. At saka kochinta. Ayan, nabili ko yan dyan sa... Nakabili ako dyan sa SM. Meron sila. Tapos to pichi-pichi. Kumuha tayo. Pagkalami, oy. Paris sa kape. Today is Friday, 4:30 p.m. It's Meryenda time. Yay! Meryenda muna tayo. Ayan, Meryenda tayo, pichi-pichi. Kochinta with juice. Kape. Nescafe. Saka cream. Nescafe cream. Hindi manicure na pala tayo. Hindi manicure. Mga bakbak na. Then, kain tayo ng kochin pichi-pichi. Bebe. Let's go, bebe. Let's go.
Rice. I love how this dish represents you. It's colorful, it's vibrant. I know there's going to be a little bit of spice and a little bit of that sort of sassiness and flavor.
I'm curious about the negative space. You left half of the plate empty.
I wanted to put pretty dots of the dragon fruit dressing.
You ran out of time?
It's kind of like I'm on Hawaiian time and I'm trying to kick my butt to kind of get into gear on mainland.
But let me tell you something. You got to make it happen in the 45 minutes that you have.
I know.
Shall we?
Meryenda. Meryenda tayo. Nanonood ako ng
Unique 3
Derek Ramsey. Then nakatayo na ang ating Christmas tree. Nakatayo na.
Unique 3 has on apron.
Wala, andyan nata si Kuya.
Tuna's cooked beautifully.
Nating
Rice
Indian.
needs to be a little bit more crispier, if I'm honest. That's such a fun.
Ayan, ang ating merienda kape, kochinta, pichi-pichi. Yummy.
But I guess
Magandang hapon, please. Palo-palo naman, baka palo to palo. Palo to palo naman, guys. Palo to palo. Tsaka pa-heart naman. Pa-heart. Thank you. Lami. Parang uulan.
So?
I believe enough that this is a yes.
Merry
I'm gonna give you
Christmas.
yes, yes.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Want to hear what I think? But I gotta tell you something. It's time for the donut queen to leave the donuts behind and move on to restaurant quality dishes like this. It's a yes.
Tikman natin yung kochinta.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Kochinta naman, guys. Kuha tayo.
Congratulations. Well done.
Pahinga ako tinidor nak. Hirap tong kutsara nak. Uy. Diyan ang tinidor na ko sa gilid ng kalan. Nilipat ni Daddy. Diyos ko, ayaw mag-ano sa kutsara. Thank you, nak. Ang liliit pala nito. Wow.
Nobody's already Wellington.
Nga.
Good dish.
Nga. Uy, lamig din. Sarap.
Kennedy, I'm 26. I'm from
Sarap
Denver,
din.
Colorado. I grew up surrounded by wildflowers on a farm on 12 acres.
Yummy. Ang
I'm
gusto ko
absolutely
pa.
proud to be from Colorado. I'm a wild
Dalawa na,
girl.
dalawa.
I'm from the mountains, and it definitely shaped who I am today. That was really good. That's like the best I've ever done it.
Tell us about the dish. What are you doing?
I'm doing
What?
elk tenderloin over rainbow carrots.
Sumakit ang
with
aking
blueberry
ano?
compotes.
Love that. Elk.
Nothing more mountain girl, right?
How are you going to cook this out?
I'm gonna sear it just real quick over top and leave it in the oven to finish. Looking for a medium rare.
Why are you twisting that rosemary?
I want to open up the aromatics.
Yeah, great idea.
Right. Wow. Love this. Kind of dish you cook at home?
I live in a school bus.
Say that again.
I really want to prove to the world that a girl who lives in the school bus can still throw down in a huge kitchen when you let it run.
Kape, kape, kape.
Yeah, that's really best.
Kape, kape.
I decided to do risky protein like
Kape,
elk
kape
because
with
you gotta really know what you're doing when you work with
Pichi-pichi
it.
na
It's very
nabili sa
easy to
tabi-tabi.
overcook.
Nabili sa tabi-tabi. Lami kayo.
She be playing.
Chew.
Just because I cook on a school bus, that doesn't mean I can't handle bigger things. I'm a badass chef. I'm from the mountains.
Ah.
I can handle wild game, and I'm ready to go.
Welcome.
Baba na ko eh. Meryenda na.
My name's Kennedy. I'm from Denver, Colorado.
Wow, sarap ng
and today
niluto.
I'm here for you an elk tenderloin
Wow.
over bacon
Tenderloin
strips
natin.
with a blueberry combo.
Tapos with ano?
Wow.
Sounds
Ano yan? Pinaibabawan ng alokbate.
Elk is one of the most difficult,
Joke lang.
tempestuous proteins on the planet. Why elk on a night like tonight?
I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of who I am as a person. I'm a mountain girl, and elk obviously is from Colorado, and I just wanted to show my heart.
What happened?
Shall we?
Let's go.
nice face.
Visually it pops. Elk is
Inom tubig,
absolutely beautiful.
bebe.
You can see that pink gradient
Tubig
that's
muna.
centre out.
Sasamid ka na na yata.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you, chef.
Shall we? Yeah. Good.
Kotsento. Mukbang.
The elk is the most difficult protein being cooked in this kitchen tonight. And you absolutely nailed that.
Wala, may
Really
dumaan.
nailed it.
Sino yun?
Do you cook like this in the school bus?
I sure do.
Wow, that's one glamorous bus.
Daddy, parang
I think
uulan.
one more thing on
Daddy,
that,
parang uulan.
whilst they're curing something a little bit
Yung
more
sinampay
like
natin pa.
this,
Maulanan ba yun?
it is an
Hindi.
absolute yes from me.
May,
Great job.
may payong kaya si Yanis pa.
That you did a blueberry compote.
Agoy, ginoo ko magdala ka ng payong na malaki.
Combo together.
Para sa lubungin na lang kung saan siya.
And the elk is just
Yung payong dyan. Dyan o, sa likod ng pinto. Meron. Hindi ka na. Tinidor, kuha ka.
Handling of the elk, I
Tinidor.
love your boldness. I mean, the fact that you sliced it to show off your confidence in cooking it says a lot about you. And
Kunti
for
lang
me,
yan pa, kunti lang.
it allows me to feel
Sa
confident
kanila lang
in
yan.
giving you a yes.
Hindi na ako
Excellent.
magkakain pa
You're
mamaya
exactly
dahil
what we're
bustik na
looking
nitong
for.
An apron from the West
pichi-pichi.
Coast, you represent a region, a philosophy, a way of life. Congratulations, then. You have an apron.
Shout out sa lahat ng aking mga subscriber. I love you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
Well done.
Congrats.
Opo. Ay, binunot na pala.
Means everything to me. It just proves to myself that I have what it takes to be here. I mean, I got 4 yeses. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is
Ah.
literally the best day of my entire life.
May fish in na doon. Din na naman.
Ha?
May fish in na naman doon. Sabi ni Tintin.
Gaga?
Hindi, ipis daw.
Ah. Ano mo, makasaksak yan, binulog mo, hinila mo na lang. Kasi pag naputol yan, makukulinti ka. Oo, pagka bulot mong ganun, putol, di
Kukurinti
apoy
daw
yun.
ako guys.
Apoy yun.
Masyadong ginawa kong baby.
Here we go.
Thank you, Daddy.
Makukulinti ka nga.
Kukurinti daw ako eh. Masyado.
James, good to see you, my dear. Feeling good?
Ginawa akong 1 taon. Kagagalit si Daddy.
Give us an insight to this. What you did? What is it?
I'm doing a North
Sarap ano?
crab cake with a saute squash.
Ito. Open na? Pa, open na daw pa.
It was my mom. She taught me how to cook.
Love that. It's not here.
No, unfortunately, she
Pili na, open na.
passed away.
Oh, sorry. Good.
So, it's just
Well, let's
Timing.
do this. What was Mum's name?
Gloria.
Sakto, ang merinda.
Yeah.
What did she teach you growing up?
That could do anything.
Good.
I love that. I think you should call these glorious, glorious.
Kasi yung kape ko, pag halimbawa kumakain tayo ng ano, kakanin din. Kahit may asukal tong kape ko, pag inom ko, matabang. Ay, nakakabusog agad. Ginoo ko. Nakakabusog agad, guys. Baka ano ko lang eh. Baka subo lang eh.
Hi guys. Young man, how are we? What's up? Yeah, same as you. Calvin, good to see you. Young man, how old are you? I'm 18. Congratulations.